All right, I was filming this last night, but the battery died, so you'll have that sometimes. So you can see these two lines. Well, the one line on that side went bad yesterday. I mean, look at the mess. And this line was in real bad shape, so yeah. You can see that big pipe there. I mean, this is hard to get off. You gotta be careful if this ever happens to yours, because those metal pipes that run there, if you twist them, you can crack them. Hopefully we didn't, but and then they'll leak, and then you're kind of screwed. So, because they run all the way up under those pistons, way up there. So you can see, but we ended up, this line came off halfway decent. That line, where that pipe wrench is, actually had to cut with a grinder, cut the hose off, and use a ratchet to, yeah, this ratchet right here, in an 1 3/8 socket to get that off out of there, because there's just no way you're doing it with a wrench. It just wouldn't work. So, yep, so now I got these new lines made, and we're gonna go throw them on right now and put some fluid in and make sure nothing leaks. Like I said, hopefully it didn't hurt any of those pipes, because they are a little rusted up in there, but all right, let's see. Oh my God. I gotta buy new tools. That should be enough, right?
Yeah, I don't think you need it that tight.
All right, now I gotta get that off. That's around like that. Don't want to cross thread, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. They're big threads, they should go.
Yeah, hopefully. My luck. This goes back up here. Oh, that was a split. Oh, that was my kneecap. Let's get that a little tighter. That should be good, right? All right. Spin that. It's that free spin
back in there.
Be screwed. Straight here.
You gotta go back up on top.
I'm gonna have to, yeah. Go ahead and tighten that. This one's gonna go this way. Okay, get held like that. I gotta get this wrench on though. This one. Fit that way. I'm gonna have to reset this. I don't know. Tell you the truth. Hard to get at this one. Yeah, move your hand for a second. I'll get it on there. Alright, I got that. Yeah, it's loose. That's a... It's gotta be. We'll know if there's leaks when we... Oh yeah. All right, I guess, yeah, you don't have to really do anything else. I mean, those are some heavy duty lines, huh?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
All right, those are on now. Add fluid. Do you think we need, well, try to run it first. I may not need fluid.
Might be fine.
Nothing. No leaks. So $200 for those lines right there. So it's crazy. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I gotta get on the road.